Do not buy a brand new Toyota Tacoma. Hear me out. 310 horsepower, 430 foot-pound of torque, front and rear lockers, and last but not least, 33s from the factory. Those stats are everything us Toyota Tacoma owners wish we could have. And what if I told you there was a truck that has it all? Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, the brand new Chevy Colorado ZR2 is seriously packing a punch. So let's dive a little bit deeper. Let's talk about what this Chevy Colorado has and what the Toyota Tacoma doesn't have as of right now. The brand new Chevy Colorado is running a 2.7 liter 4-cylinder turbo. It's putting out 310 horsepower, 430 foot-pound of torque. That is very, very impressive. Where we have a V6, naturally aspirated, kudos to Toyota for that, 278 horsepower, 265 foot-pound of torque. The Chevy Colorado has front and rear lockers. The Tacoma, on the other hand, comes with an optional rear locker. And Toyota's most capable off-road truck still only comes with 265s, versus the brand new Chevy Colorado ZR2 is coming with factory 33s. Now, I know all the Toyota Tacoma enthusiasts are screaming in the comment section talking about this truck will never be as reliable as a Toyota, and I do agree with you very much on that, but take a look at these. 338,000 miles, 280,000, 236, 235, 222, and the list goes on and on and on. Although those trucks with that many miles do not bring in as much money as the Tacomas do with that many miles, it still goes to show that they can get pretty high up there. But there's a silver lining. I'm sure Toyota has seen this, and I'm sure Toyota is not going to let them walk all over them. So that only makes me even more excited for the redesign of this truck. Let's be realistic, and let's talk about what the next Toyota Tacoma is going to have. It will not have front lockers. It will have a rear locker. As far as horsepower and torque, I'm sure it's going to touch 300 horsepower, and it will for sure touch 400 foot-pound of torque, especially with that hybrid option that they're going to be offering. Will Toyota offer factory 33s? I don't see them offering 33s on a stock Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, but possibly, just possibly, if you get a Trail Hunter, maybe that one will have 33s. Question to you. First, have you subscribed? If you haven't, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it. Secondly, though, on paper, okay, if they were both just as reliable, which would you take? Let me know down below. Super excited nonetheless. I think it's going to kick Toyota in the right gear and make sure that they give the Toyota Tacoma owners what we want and what we deserve.